Football is a game of skill, resilience and teamwork. It requires perseverance, self-denial, hard work, sacrifice, dedication and respect for authority. All qualities that a good soldier needs to possess. Since its inception, the Durand Cup remains a special opportunity for different national clubs and teams of the armed forces to compete with each other. With the participation of Indian Super League teams since last year, this competition has only become more challenging. Indian Air Force has been contributing talented players to Indian football through the ages. The Subroto Cup, Asia's largest school-level football tournament organized by the Indian Air Force for over 6 decades now, is a testament of our strong commitment towards this team sport. It is heartening to see that teams from Bangladesh and Nepal have also come forward to participate in the prestigious Durand Cup. On behalf of the Indian Air Force, I extend them a warm welcome, wish them all the very best for the tournament and a pleasant stay in India. Indian Air Force team will be competing again in this edition and I wish our Air Warriors all the very best. We look forward to an exciting display of footballing action, which I am sure will be played in the true spirit of the game, instilling enthusiasm in both the players as well as the supporters. Good luck and Jai Hind.